Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing so great. Today I'm making carrot jollof rice. Yes, this is no tomato jollof rice recipe, and trust me, you are going to love it at the end of this video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. So for this recipe, the main ingredient is going to be carrots. Yes, we're going to substitute tomato paste or fresh tomatoes for carrots. I'm also going to use some pepper, onions, ginger, garlic, and I'm also going to need my green bell peppers. You can use the red bell pepper if you want. It works perfectly fine, and don't worry about it because I'm going to list everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. This is all natural spices. I'll list everything in the description box for you, okay? So in a blender, I'm going to add in all my natural spices, all my ingredients, add some water to it, blend until it is nice and very smooth. Okay, so whilst that is going on, I'm going to go ahead and heat up my oil, and I'm going to start by adding in my natural spices to my oil. And anytime I'm preparing jollof rice, I always want to add in my natural spices to my oil to give it extra flavor. And after 1 minute of doing that, I'm going to go ahead and add in my chopped or diced onions and saute this for about 1 to 2 minutes for the onions to loosen up a little bit. Alright, so next I'm going to add in my blended ingredients, and I'm going to give this a very good mix. Cover it and allow it to cook on medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so after extra 10 more minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add in my blended carrots. And so today I'm making this carrot stew in bulk because the other time I prepared carrot stew, the taste was so good and I don't want to miss this one at all. So I prepared this in larger quantity. You can also try carrot stew because it tastes so good. So I covered it for about 15 minutes and it is almost done. So I'm going to give this a very good mix. Do you see that color over there? This is looking so appetizing, and for the taste it was super delicious. I hope you're going to try this recipe. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with my seasoning, and the seasoning is always to your taste. I'll be adding in my homemade seasoning salt recipe, and since we're making jollof rice, I'm going to add in my Remie jollof rice seasoning powder to it. You can use any seasoning of your choice. And since we didn't add in any fresh tomatoes or tomato paste to this stew, I'm going to go ahead and add in my Frytol tomato flavor to give that rich red color that I am looking for. It is totally optional, but if you have, you can choose to add it to it and you are going to love it. I added in my salt to taste, and at this point, if you have any meat or fish that you want to add to your stew, you can go ahead and add it to it, and it will take your stew taste to another level. So today I'm going to add in my corned beef. If you haven't used corned beef to prepare jollof rice before, then today you have to start using it for your jollof rice recipes and you are going to love it. Okay, so now stir everything together, cover it and allow it to simmer down for about 5 to 10 more minutes. Okay, so since I'm not going to use all this stew for my jollof rice recipe, I've set some aside. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my rice. You can use any rice of your choice. When I'm preparing jollof rice, I don't like to wash my rice, but if you want to wash it, feel free to wash it, okay? And I'm using about 3 cups of perfume rice, so I will go in with 1.5 cup of water. Stir everything together, and at this point you can check if the salt content is okay. If it's not okay, go ahead and add in more to your taste. Okay, so now cover it and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. Alright, so after extra 10 more minutes, I give it a very good mix, cover it and allow it to cook on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes again. And so let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new babies right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after stirring this for the second time, I'm going to go ahead and cover this with some cling film. You can use parchment paper if you want. Okay, either ways that can absorb the heat very well. You can use napkins if you want. It works perfectly fine. So after extra 10 more minutes, the rice is looking all good and very soft now. Okay, so fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this carrot jollof rice recipe, or no tomato paste or fresh tomato jollof rice recipe. It came out so good, very delicious, and the color is just perfect. Let me know in the comment section. So now all that is left is for us to serve and enjoy ourselves. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you watched till this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Thank you for watching.